Welcome to Packets. This is the home screen where you can begin setting up your organization. Start by entering a few basic company details, such as your company name, website, and the compliance framework you want to work on. You can also invite team members from here. Simply add the users you want to give admin access to, along with any other employees who will collaborate on the compliance process. Once you submit these details, Packets automatically prepares the entire organizational setup for you. You'll then land on your main dashboard, where you can view your overall compliance progress, the frameworks you've selected, and options to add more frameworks if needed. On the left panel, you'll see all navigation items, dashboards, progress views, documents, risks, vendors, settings, and more. Let's walk through the ISO 27001 compliance workflow. In the left side expansion panel, you'll see all the steps required to complete ISO 27001. Packets guides you through the entire ISMS process, step by step. The first step is documenting your organization. Here, you'll provide a description of your company, the industry you operate in, company size, work arrangement, and a few other key details. Based on this information, Packets automatically populates the relevant controls, requirements, and policy inputs. You'll typically answer about 10 to 15 short questions. Once completed, you can proceed to generate your ISMS scope document. Packets creates a fully formatted scope template with your company details, which you can edit or customize as needed. Next is the Information Security Policy section. Here you can update the document status, assign it to specific departments, set review dates, and view or edit the auto-generated policy content. Continuing to the risk framework, Packets displays all risk categories, mapped controls, and pre-filled templates to help you complete your risk assessment. After reviewing and updating these details, you can create your risk register directly from this section. Throughout the entire process, Packets visually guides you at each stage. If you ever have questions, you can use the built-in chat assistant to get real-time support and clarifications related to ISO 27001. Packets ensures you can complete your entire ISO 27001 workflow smoothly, step by step. Now let's move on to the risk assessment and risk treatment methodology. Packets will automatically create a risk register based on the information you've already provided, such as your company profile and asset details. Click the Proceed button and the system will begin generating the risks for you. Once the risks are created, you'll see them listed on the left panel under the Risk section. Here, Packets displays all identified risks generated for your organization. When you open a specific risk, you'll be able to see its status, the department it should be assigned to, and the team member responsible for taking action. You'll also see the associated asset, the threat, the inherent risk rating, and the suggested treatment options. Packets supports 4 risk treatment methods. Mitigate, by applying relevant ISO 27001 controls. Avoid, choosing not to proceed with the activity causing the risk. Accept, acknowledging the risk with proper justification. Transfer, shifting the risk to a third party. If you choose to avoid, accept, or transfer the risk, you can provide the required justification directly on the screen. In addition to system-generated risks, you can also create custom risks at any time by entering the asset details, threats, and impact values. Packets will incorporate them into your risk register automatically. Next, let's look at the Statement of Applicability, SOA. Here, you will find the complete list of applicable ISO 27001 controls that are currently active for your organization based on the information you provided earlier. You can enable or disable additional controls as needed directly from the SOA screen. Also, you can add procedures and documents for applicable controls in the SOA. In the left control pane option, you will be able to see control groups. Here, each control opens into a detailed view where you'll see the control group it belongs to, the control description, the policies associated with implementing the control, the tasks associated with implementing the control, the requirements that the control maps to. If needed, you can also add additional requirements or attach supporting documents. Packets keeps everything neatly organized. Now moving to Documents section, you can see the documents required for your compliance program. Here, documents are organized into 3 groups: policies, Apex documents, procedures. Choose any policy or document you want to work on and open it to see more details. You can assign it to the appropriate team member, select the responsible department, update its status, and set review frequency and review dates. Packets also sends alerts and reminders whenever a document is due for review. Each document can be mapped to the relevant ISO 27001 controls, ensuring full traceability. You can begin drafting the document directly within the editor, or if you already have an existing version, you can upload your PDF and manage it within the platform. When you click on a control's associated tasks, you'll see the full list of implementation steps required. For each task, you can assign the responsible team member, set due dates, and track progress easily. On the left side, you can also view all team members who are part of the project and add additional users as your compliance team grows. With Packets, your entire ISO 27001 journey becomes structured, guided, and effortless. From setting up your organization, completing documentation, managing risks, and implementing controls, to preparing for your final audit, Packets brings every step together in one smart, automated platform. Stay organized, stay compliant, and stay audit ready with Packets.